Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is June 3rd, 2024. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, has been actively using his social media platform X to advocate for a substantial $46.5 billion pay package from Tesla. He has been quite vocal, posting multiple times to rally shareholder support for this package, which will be voted on June 13th. In a bid to win over shareholders, Musk has even offered a personal tour of Tesla's factory in Austin, Texas, to a select few. Through videos shared on X, he has showcased Tesla vehicles and underscored the importance of maintaining control over the company, particularly in its artificial intelligence ventures. Musk has not held back in criticizing investors who oppose his pay package, labeling them as oathbreakers. This pay package is particularly crucial for Musk after a Delaware judge voided it in January, following a lawsuit that claimed his compensation was excessive. Musk's concerted efforts on X highlight just how significant this pay package is for both him and Tesla's future. In other news, Tesla has been actively showcasing recent full self-driving (FSD) experiences from customers using the V12 software. The company shared a comprehensive megathread on X, featuring multiple videos that demonstrate how Tesla vehicles handle various edge cases. The main Tesla X account posted an article on Tuesday that highlighted these customer experiences. The videos illustrate how Tesla vehicles navigate challenging scenarios under the FSD supervised mode, providing valuable insights into the capabilities and performance of Tesla's FSD technology. Customers have shared their real-world experiences with FSD V12, showcasing the software's advancements and effectiveness. These videos depict Tesla vehicles successfully managing a range of complex driving situations. Tesla's initiative to share these customer experiences aims to demonstrate the progress and reliability of its FSD technology. The thread on X serves as a platform for customers to share their feedback and showcase the capabilities of Tesla's autonomous driving features. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. Remember, you can find links to all the stories mentioned in the episode notes. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.